Vince's death isn't just another tragic twist. It's a turning point for the entire series. The scene that follows delivers one of the show's most emotional gut punches to date. When Bode is finally freed from the wrecked buggy, Manny breaks the news to him about his father's death. The silence, the shock, and the raw emotion capture exactly what Fire Country does best, showing the human cost of heroism. It's the kind of storytelling that hits deep, reminding fans why they've stayed loyal to the series since day one. For longtime viewers, Vince Leone's death feels especially painful because of how central he's been to Fire Country's heart. As the battalion chief, husband, and father, Vince represented strength and integrity. His dynamic with Bode gave the show its emotional core, balancing the action with powerful family drama. Billy Burke's performance brought depth and quiet power to the role, so losing Vince isn't just a plot twist. It's the end of an era for the characters and the fans alike. The decision to kill off Vince wasn't entirely out of nowhere. Many fans suspected it after the Season 3 finale left his fate hanging in the balance, and the Season 4 trailer all but confirmed it. Still, seeing it unfold on screen was heartbreaking. According to reports, Burke's departure had been teased by showrunners earlier this year, suggesting that his storyline had reached its natural conclusion. Even so, his final episode serves as a powerful tribute to the bravery, loyalty, and sacrifice that defined Vince's character from the start. Now the big question is, what happens next? Vince's death will undoubtedly shape every character moving forward, especially Bode, whose journey has always been about redemption and rebuilding family bonds. With the battalion chief gone, Fire Country enters a new chapter filled with grief, growth, and resilience. The show's creators promise more emotional depth and shocking twists ahead, proving that even in loss, the flames of this drama are far from burning out. One thing's for sure, Vince may be gone, but his legacy will live on in every firefighter who carries his spirit into the next blaze. The emotional punch comes early in the Season 4 premiere. After an intense rescue mission, Sharon and Walter are pulled to safety and rushed to the hospital. But when the team turns back to find Vince, it's already too late. His lifeless body is discovered inside the burning structure, a devastating moment that silences everyone. Without a single line of dialogue, the heartbreak is crystal clear. Jake's expression says it all, as he looks on in disbelief, and Gabriella, Manny, and Eve instantly realize that their beloved leader is gone.